One day, Donald and Douglas and Dirty Percy were chuffing through the countryside, hauling a heavy load. Down the line, Trevor the traction engine had been struggling with a big cartload of
Oh, brother!
Then Trevor heard a whistle.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Trevor cried.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Donald could see the
Stop!
He cried. Donald's driver applied the brakes, but it was too late. Stop! Stop!
What the hell? Oh my God!
Didn't he? Did no, did too. Did no, did two, 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 did no, did. Before long, the track was cleared. Stop! But the twins were so cross, they refused to speak to each other for the rest of the day. The next day, the Fat Controller needed an engine to help Trevor to the countryside. May I go, sir? Said Donald eagerly. Said the Fat Controller. Thomas was worried. I have work to do, huffed Donald.
I told you I should.
No! God, please, no!